Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Beats Studio Pro with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. And this one is the same menu. Right here you need to click Bluetooth settings. And after that we need to turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. So at the bottom of the left ear cup we have system button or power button or connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until you will see that the LED light start blinking white. So firstly we turn on it and now it starts blinking white. After that we should see them at the device list. Right here we have these headphones. Click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!